Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. This is a package from United Exchange Corporation. These are the folks that bring you Tapatio Ramen, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Holy cow. Alright, so I'm going to go through everything in this box. They sent a case of each one of their items. First off, we've got the Tapatio ramen bowls. These are pretty good. And then here's their beef variety. Chicken. And this is a new one. This is their birria. So birria, I guess, is like a slow simmer beef Mexican stew kind of thing. And it's really popular to take something like this, and instead of adding water to it, you add that to it, let it sit for a while and soak up all the juices from that stew. This is just flavor of birria. So this is a new one that I haven't tried. And then here's another new one. This is Choi Ramen. It says that it's artificial chicken flavor. I'm very curious. I'll definitely give this a try. And I believe I've only had the bowl version of these. These are the pack version of their sriracha spicy ramen, as well as chicken flavor and an extra spicy flavor. Well, thank you very much to United Exchange for sending these over. Yeah, these are new ones, and I'm really looking forward to giving them a taste. So I will do so soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.